Plumbing memberships increase recurring revenue by turning one-time customers into paying subscribers who agree to regular maintenance visits, priority service, and discounted repairs, which creates a steady stream of monthly or yearly income instead of relying only on emergency calls. Think of a plumbing membership like a subscription box, but instead of getting snacks every month, the customer gets peace of mind. They pay a small fee, maybe monthly or once a year, and in return they get things like a yearly inspection, discounts on repairs, and they get to skip the line when there's an emergency. This is smart for the plumbing company because instead of waiting around hoping someone's pipe bursts, they already have guaranteed money coming in every single month. Here's something most people do not know. Memberships also help plumbers catch small problems before they turn into huge disasters, which means fewer emergency calls overall and happier customers who trust the company more. Companies that build strong membership programs often find that members spend way more money over time compared to one-time customers, sometimes triple or even more because trust turns into loyalty. It is kind of like how gym memberships work. You keep paying even on months you do not go, but plumbing memberships are actually valuable every single time because they help prevent costly damage. One common mistake is pricing the membership too low just to get people to sign up, which ends up costing the company money instead of making it, so a smart tip is to calculate exactly how many service calls and discounts the average customer will use before setting the price. Another mistake is not clearly explaining what is included, which leaves customers confused and frustrated, so being upfront and simple about the benefits builds trust from day one. A lot of companies also forget to remind members about their yearly inspection, so setting up automatic reminders keeps customers engaged and keeps that recurring revenue flowing smoothly. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app, JobBit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.